Hi lovelies and welcome in my witch's kitchen. Today we are brewing up a kitchen witch love spell for romance and emotional intimacy. A sweet sip of winter magic to fire up a love interest's feelings or bring some romance into your established relationship. But even if you don't try to enchant a potential partner, this is still a wonderful warming drink for cozy winter evenings at the fireplace. Made with traditional flavors of the season, a delicious spiced apple liqueur. As always, ingredients and measurements can be found in the description box below. The base of this love potion will be apple juice. And an apple a day does not only keep the doctor away, it might also bring you some other interesting benefits. In witchcraft, the apple carries much significance and meaning. From love to lust, fertility, divination to immortality and the other world. But in this spell we are much making use of its status as a symbol for temptation. After all, we want to appear tempting for a very special person. We want to fill the juice in a pot and then add some sugar, sweetening the feelings of the lucky person for whom we are brewing this love potion towards us. I do love to use a mixture of regular white sugar, brown sugar and vanilla or orange blossom sugar. And now, as we stir, we do remember that magic only works if we align it with mundane efforts. So we can use this time to stew over how we could make our intentions clear to the other person and in what way we might be able to set up a romantic frame to present them with this magical drink. Next, we want to add in some cinnamon, an ideal spice to heat things up, literally and figuratively speaking. It does mainly find its way in lust spells as an aphrodisiac, but is also great to rekindle some romance in your relationship. Next, we add cloves. In magic, we add them when we want to boost confidence. And nothing better than a bit of courage to work up the nerves to show your true feelings to the other person or maybe help them along with their love confessions towards you. And last but not least, some star anise. In Central European folk magic, it is said to bring good fortune and luck. Never a bad thing when it comes to matters of the heart. Not only do all these spices hold magical properties that will aid this love spell, but they also taste amazing in this flavor combination, will ignite your inner fire and are sure to warm you and the person you wish to enchant from the inside out. Next, we need some vanilla. The both sensual and comforting scent of vanilla is one that makes it an ideal ingredient when we work spells around harmony, happiness, love and intimacy. Now we carefully start to heat our love potion, making sure it doesn't boil but only warms up, so the flavor and magic of the spices can fully infuse into the apple juice and the sugar will dissolve completely. Then we want to turn off the heat as we will now add in the alcohol and we don't want it to cook out. No harm in infusing this magically created pink cloud-inducing drink with a bit of tipsy haziness. You can adjust what kind of alcohol you add to your preference. What I find goes best is a bit of apple liqueur like Calvados, a swig of amaretto, and last but not least, some brown rum to balance out the sweetness. Once every magical ingredient is in the cauldron, we can stir again, and this time we want to fuel it with our intention. The ethics of love spells are a heavily debated topic. In my opinion, magic can only help along energies that are already present, and always have to be followed up by mundane efforts in order to work. So I do not think that we have the power to magically force our will on anyone else if there is nothing there to feed into. Now the only thing left to do is to strain out the spices, which you can do through a sieve. Or, should you still have bits in your finished love potion, use a cheesecloth to pour it through. And just like that, kitchen witchery is worked. Now you can bottle your love potion, or serve it straight to the person to enjoy together. It tastes great chilled over some ice or as a warming winter drink, maybe out of a thermos on a long romantic walk together. It would also make a cute DIY Christmas gift, or you can even use it to add some extra pizzazz to your kitchen witch baking projects. Personally, I like to mix it with some black tea, cinnamon or apple tea and enjoy it as a hot winter drink. I do hope that this will bring you and your sweetheart much enjoyment and wish you a wonderful day. Tomorrow I will be back with another fun project for my hashtag 21 days till Yule, either here on YouTube or over on Instagram. See you soon!